Now I will demonstrate how to calibrate the gyroscope and geomagnetic of the Airwolf with the right throttle. First, power on the helicopter. Now is the Model 1, the right throttle. First, let's calibrate the gyroscope. Place the helicopter on a flat surface. Then put your finger on the joystick right up and left down. Once you see the light flashing, release the joystick. That's the gyroscope calibration done. Put your fingers on the joystick, left up and right down. And press lock when you see the light flashing. Then pick up the helicopter and turn it horizontally. Don't turn it too fast, just turn it until the light changes color. Then hold the helicopter and turn it vertically until the light turns red. And the calibration is successful.